Hi guys, Rode Wireless Go white and the wind muff. There are a lot of people saying that the muff isn't on there securely. Well, that's mine. That is on good enough and it's not going to blow off. So it's got two little clips in the top there, little slots, and if you just pop it in and push down, it just comes straight off. The trick to it is,
what's your secret?
if you just pull the fur, just see the little lugs and obviously the little holes. So pull the hair out, the way, line it up, and once you push in, just give it a little wiggle. That just allows the lugs to open up inside and really grip. Obviously I'm not going to fling the mic that hard.
Go ahead, fling it.
It's on 100 times more secure than before. So yeah, awesome mic. The other trick is, out the box it's a bit full on, so I've gone into my camera settings and just dropped them down onto manual. So we just see that now, filmed on my phone.
Unbelievable technology.
Old school. Let's go into the menu. All the way over to 8. Sound record. Drop it all the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's it. And it's just generally not going overboard with the sound. That's the settings that I've got it on the camera. It's a lot better quality. Awesome bit of kit. Just gives me the versatility to just move freely when the camera is not around and I've not got to have a boom stand with my Rode Videomic Pro Plus, which is a brilliant bit of kit, but just adding the wireless one in just adds me some freedom. The sound quality is a lot better to me with the wind muff on if you're indoors or outdoors.